to my channel. I'm so glad having you back in today's video. I'll be showing you how to turn milk into whipped cream. So you're going to need a saucepan. To the saucepan, add in a quarter cup of cold water. Gently sprinkle unflavored gelatin into the water. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of gelatin here. Once you've done that, tilt the pan gently just to make sure the gelatin is evenly soaked in the water. Now rest this for about 5 to 10 minutes for the gelatin to absorb all the liquid. After about 5 minutes, place your saucepan containing the gelatin on a very low heat and begin stirring just to make sure the gelatin dissolves nicely. Once the gelatin is liquidy, just like the way you're seeing here, take it off from heat. This doesn't take so long to dissolve, it takes just a few seconds. And once you have this liquidy consistency, rest it for about 5 minutes. Let it cool to room temperature. In another bowl, add in 1 cup of full fat milk. For vegetarian version, you can use a non-dairy milk such as coconut milk or almond milk. Now, bring in the dissolved gelatin. You can also substitute this with agar-agar. Wait this for 30 seconds and make sure it combines nicely. Next, go in with a quarter cup of powdered sugar and a quarter teaspoon of vanilla for flavor. Now whisk this and make sure everything is combined beautifully. Once you have a well combined mixture just like so, wrap this up with a plastic wrap and chilled in the fridge for an hour. So while the mixture is resting in the fridge for an hour, you can take this out every 15 to 20 minutes and give it a little whisk. You can see it's beginning to thicken up. This prevents it from separating. So once you have done that, you take it back into the fridge and keep doing this every 15 to 20 minutes. After the 1 hour, this has thickened up lightly, so it's time to whisk this using a hand mixer. So I'm just going to go ahead and whisk this at high speed. You can just stop along the way and scrape down the sides of the bowl and continue beating. So we now have this thick consistency just like your store-bought whipped cream. So guys, this was how to turn milk into whipped cream. It's really easy and you can use these on your cakes, cupcakes, ice creams and pies. So you get this into your piping bag. And here it goes. So your homemade whipped cream is ready to be used. You can store your homemade whipped cream in the fridge and use it within 2 days. Thank you guys for watching. This was how to turn milk into whipped cream. If you like this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. You can share the video with your friends. support us by subscribing to the channel if you haven't done that already. Until next time guys, thank you for watching. Bye.